Good morning. Hi, this is Gary Lee Stanley, your money guy. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day. I thought I'd take a walk and we're going to talk about something that's really important. It's called disability insurance. Now, a lot of times people can get disability insurance through their employers. They can get it on their life insurance policies. And what the benefit is for you as a consumer is this. If you don't have disability insurance and something happens to you, you're in a bind. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of people these days who are on Social Security. If you have no income and you haven't paid into the system for a long time, you might get $700 a month. You can't live off of that. And your Social Security is set up based on the amount of time that you've put into your job and how much you've invested in the program. So if you've only get $1,300 a month, you can't make it. Oh my gosh. And it's terrible. Now they do have disability insurance, short term, long term. That means 6 months to a year. Now here's the thing. If you buy this through your company, remember eventually it's going to run out. But if you have a policy that gives you the capability to have this type of insurance, disability insurance, it can pay you for the rest of your life. And they have different things where you have riders that you can put on your insurance to take care of the premium. And then there are other portions of it that can also take and give you an income also on top of them taking care of your premium. Now generally it takes 6 months to 2 years a lot of times for people to even get seen in front of a judge to get Social Security, which is a long time. And you've got to be out of work and you can't make any money. So what are you going to do? You're going to suffer because you don't have the income capability to make the money that's going to benefit you and your family. And it sucks, but see, people get hurt every single day. And if you don't have a policy on your insurance, then you're running the risk of losing your home, your car, just your mental state in this regard. Because listen, you're important and you matter. And when you have the insurance that's going to benefit you, it's called disability insurance. Look, you may be afraid, oh, it's going to cost me money. Well, it's going to cost you a whole lot more money in the future if you do not have this type of insurance. Disability insurance will give you a peace of mind. You pay a small premium for a large amount of money that can be with you for the rest of your life. Now, if you have whole life insurance and you have this premium rider, it's going to give you the capability to be able to have that premium paid for, and all that money that you would have to have had invested in your insurance program is now going to be stuck and left in your pocket, and they're going to take care of that. Now, if you also have the additional portion of it that's going to give you an income, you can't go wrong because you're going to have money that's going to be there besides taking care of the premium of your disability. Now, a lot of times when people have insurance, they neglect to find out what's in their policy. You don't want to not be covered enough. Yeah, I'm walking, I'm breathing kind of hard because right now I'm exercising. I'm trying not to become disabled. And you know, this disability insurance is so important. If you don't have it, you should really contemplate it. You at least should have your group policy at your office. And remember, if you run into a situation where you leave the company, you need to get in contact with an insurance agent to help you to go ahead and transfer and get that policy to cover you, because you could become disabled. There are so many people that are disabled in America. Don't be one of those people that can only live off of $500 to $1,300 to $1,200. It's terrible. How can you survive off a little bit of nothing? Disability insurance is a way to protect you and your assets in your home and guarantee that you have a future. Look, a lot of people get depressed because they don't have money. Depression sucks, and that can become a disability. You have the opportunity to get this insurance, so don't screw yourself over and say, well, I don't need it. Well, guess what? You do. Disability insurance pays, and if you have a problem, because it happens to a lot of people when they least expect it. It could be you. Holy cow. This is Gary Lee Stanley. I'm your money guy. I'm under Gary Stanley, salesperson, or Gary Lee Stanley, or your money guy. Listen, we just had a brief conversation of why it's so important to have disability insurance. Really, think about it. You need this disability insurance. What's the worst thing that can happen? They take care of you in a time of need? Go ahead, do me a favor. You out there and be safe, and don't get disabled. But if you do, get your insurance. Let them take care of you because you paid for it.